How to hide best friends on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to hide best friends on Snapchat. So let's begin. So just a disclaimer, Snapchat doesn't have an option or feature in which you may be able to remove or hide your best friend. However, what I will be teaching you is just an alternative. So let's begin. The very first step that I would suggest is to make sure first that your Snapchat app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Snapchat app. Once you have done that, simply open your Snapchat app and then go to the chat section by clicking on this button right here or by swiping right. And then for the first one that I will be teaching you is to delete the chat of your friend. So in order to do that, you just simply press and hold onto their chat and then go to chat settings right here and then clear from chat feed. So you must click on that clear from chat feed and then your best friend will be hidden. Then the other um, step that I will be teaching you is just changing the emoji of the best friend. So instead of that fire or that heart emoji, you should change it in order for it to hide. So go to your profile on your upper left corner and then go to settings on the upper right corner and scroll down until you can see the additional services right here and click on manage. So once you are here, click on friend emojis and change the the BFF emoji to whichever you want. So let's just reset it first. So as you can see, the BFF emoji is the heart one. So if you're going to change it, you just simply choose whichever emoji that you want. So for example, this one. So once you go back, the emoji has been changed and then it will not let other people know that this emoji signifies the BFF um, emoji. So that's it. That's how you can hide best friends on Snapchat.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.